You will not believe, 3 years ago I was on the verge of bankruptcy with only $50 in my pocket. Now I have more than $2 million in my account. Yes, that's right. And in this video, I will share with you a super profitable trading strategy that saved me and will prove to you that binary options is the best way to earn daily income, even with small amounts in your account. Watch till the end of the video to find out how easily and safely you can earn from $750 a day and much more. By the way, I share all my top strategies with a community of like-minded people on Telegram. We are already more than 10,000 in the group, and we all make money together. They simply copy my trades and earn more than $600K every single day together. Are you interested in joining us? The link to the channel is in the description under this video and in the pinned comment. We are pretty much ready to start trading. Of course, I'm a little worried because I need to explain step by step how the strategy works while maintaining concentration and analyzing the market. That's a lot, but I love you guys. So we will start with $18 and in 10 minutes we will try to earn more than $4,000. But first, let's set up the pocket option platform. So first, the candlestick time frame here should be set for 30 seconds and the trade duration for 1 minute. Second step, currency pairs. Today we will trade Aussie and Canadian dollar, the Australian and New Zealand dollar, Australian and US dollar, Canadian dollar and yen. Perfect. Third step and final step before we start. Today we'll go all in. We are trading with my top indicators. The RSI, all the settings are already correct. And second, this stochastic with the correct settings as well. Watch this video till the end to learn how to make money with these two indicators. By the way, I haven't asked you the most important question yet. What is your favorite pair of indicators? How much could you earn from it? Write in the comments below and I will make a video on how to increase your profit with the most popular indicators. Everything is all set. Let's try to earn the monthly salary of an American office worker in 10 minutes. Let's get started. Look what we have on the first pair. Here we can see that the lines of our first indicator are going down without breaking the framework. So I'm clicking down. Like this. That was a confident win. We now have $34. Let's continue. After a long downward trend, we have sideways movement. And even though price bounced from a level of support, I expect it to continue to decline since all the stochastic lines are pointing downward. Clicking down. A little more and perfect. This I like. We just started and we already have $65 in our account. Let's increase this amount. A neighboring pair, the Aussie and New Zealand dollar. We can see how both of our indicators point towards an increase in price, and even without their signals, we can notice a trend continuation. Going up on this one. Yes! This is how professional traders analyze the market. Our amount is $125. And of course, why stop here when we can earn much more? So let's continue. Alright, it's time to like this video because I'm sharing with you the coolest ways to make money online. On the fourth pair, we understand that our newly formed downward trend is continuing, since both of our indicators point to a decrease in price. We invest down. And we have a successful trade. That's $240. Not bad. Let's continue. Back to the first pair. This picture right here is very familiar. This week with the subscribers of my Telegram channel, we analyzed in great detail a similar situation on the market and how to obtain maximum profit from it. The green candle just started and it will stretch all the way to the resistance level. In such a situation, always check the indicators. Here, they clearly indicate an increase in price. Pressing the up button. Awesome! Working with indicators is always a plus. Now we have $461. let's move on. By the way, are indicators really necessary? I have a crazy video where I trade blindly without the help of indicators. This is how I destroyed the myth that trading is only for Nobel laureates in mathematics. Take a look for yourself. One takeaway for sure is that trading is more accessible than it seems. Click here or follow the link in the description to watch it. On to the second pair now. This is controversial. We're expecting the market to bounce and go up as the size of the candles becomes smaller and smaller, and we expect a change in trend. Okay, let's go for a third of the amount to minimize risks. Up button. Oh, that's too bad. It is very important not to let a loss get you, and more importantly, not to try to win back. We have $311 and we will continue to trade calmly. Third pair. Well, the market continues its upward trend, and besides, both indicators indicate a future upward impulse. So let's press up. Beauty! Did you see that? We're in the black again, and we increased our funds to almost $600. Alright, let's move on to the next one. Okay, let's see the fourth pair, Aussie and Canadian dollar. Here the market is at the end of a downward trend and is preparing for a reversal. But given the entry point and our short time frame, it would be logical to invest downward and get some more money from this trend. Down button. Now let's take a break to talk about how indicators work. So, RSI, Relative Strength Index, can be used to determine the moments when the price of an asset has risen or fallen too much. And not only does the indicator show the change in price of an asset, but also how powerful this change is as a percentage. Stochastic oscillator, the second indicator we're using today, shows how close the price of an asset is to its highs or lows for a specified period. When the price is above 70, it means that the pair is overbought. There are more buyers than sellers in the market, which means the price will likely start to fall. And it's the opposite with a value of 30. The asset is in the oversold zone, and it is likely that the price will begin to rise. Oh, our trade is closing soon. Yes, amazing! Who knows an even easier way to earn $1,146 in less than 10 minutes? And this is not the end. First pair again. It is already obvious that price will continue to rise. We observe how the red candles are becoming smaller and we expect a trend reversal. So let's click up. Great! $2,066 in our account. Every subscriber on my Telegram knows the rule. If you see a trend reversal, make the most of it. And guess what? You too can get access to the best tips for daily profit. I myself have conducted more than 10,000 trades with a win rate of 88.9%. So I only have professional life hacks on my channel and no useless theory. You can find the link to the channel in the description under this video and in the pinned comment. So the Australian and US dollar. Alright, we need to slow down here. A sideways movement is beginning to form again at this low, and given our entry point, it would be logical to invest in an increase so that the pattern continues. Pressing the up button. Brilliant! That was right decision. We started out with $18 and now we have a balance of $2,986. Awesome! I propose to carry out a couple more trades and move on to the final calculations. Third currency pair. Everything is simple here. Both of our indicators predict an upward movement, so you know the drill. Up button. That's right! This is what I call a smart choice of strategy. Again and again, we're in the black. And we, of course, will make another trade because we can earn even more. Let's look at the fourth pair. Here we have reached a low in the market and now that a sharp trend reversal awaits us. Without wasting time, let's press the up button. Incredible! We earned $4,826 from $18 in 10 minutes. This is a great result. Now you see binary options is the coolest market with unlimited profits. And you have a unique opportunity here. Get the most from trading and earn money without leaving home. How? Simple. Join my Telegram channel for free. Already 10,000 beginners and experienced traders earn about 600,000 together every day. I personally explain to each subscriber how to use Pocket Option and which buttons to press in great detail, step by step, and completely for free. Subscribers also copy my trades because they know that my win rate is about 89%, and therefore the risks are minimal, and I'm always happy to receive pictures of their progress and their thanks. I mean, look at this feedback.
Thanks to your signals, thanks to your analysis,
She's basically changing my financial situations.
thanks to the information that you share in the group.
I gotta say, I didn't know anything about trading.
So if you want to start your trading career, I highly recommend you to start following her and her signals.
Thank you for responding to my messages.
Her win rate is pretty crazy.
There's a lot of people that can prove it to you.
Thank you. Mwah.
And if anything, trading and signals are not at all as difficult as it might seem. Just copy my trades and earn $750 a day. All you need to do is join my Telegram channel and write me a private message. Follow the first link in the description or in the pinned comment under the video. And come earn money with us. This session was great. That's all for today. I'm waiting for your message on Telegram.